Hey guys, welcome back.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. I don't want to film any video.
Me and Nick just got back from going to some lumber yards. What are you doing? Why did we need to go?
I'm getting wood to side sheds.
All right. Well, Nick's dad fixed the starter. You want to go ahead and show him? You want to start it up real quick?
I mean, it's a car. It's a starter.
Come on. Just start it. Don't be a dickhead.
Fuck you. Okay.
Or else he also put some indoor-outdoor carpet on the inside.
Make it more plush when you're driving.
Should we have like the engine visible for like looking at it start? Like.
Sure.
Fuck you.
I didn't know you actually had a church key.
Yeah, I got my dad one for Christmas. It's an engine.
Alright. Thanks guys for watching. In our next video we'll be removing paint. Don't forget to use our Webull or my Webull and Robinhood links. We'll see you guys later.